Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Thousands upon thousands of stars like diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth. Each tiny point of light represents a distant sun, many far larger and more powerful than our own. Now imagine journeying past these familiar stars, venturing deeper and deeper into the cosmos. As you travel outwards, the familiar constellations dissolve and reform, replaced by new patterns of light. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, shrinks in your rearview mirror, becoming a swirling spiral of billions upon billions of stars. You are now in the realm of deep space, a place of unimaginable vastness and profound mystery. Here, the very fabric of reality seems to warp and twist. Time and space are no longer familiar concepts, but become intertwined, bending to the will of gravity. Welcome to the greatest adventure of all, the exploration of the universe. Continuing your journey, you encounter breathtaking sights. Vast islands of light, each containing billions, even trillions of stars, come into view. These are distant galaxies, separated from our own by millions or even billions of light years. Some galaxies, like our own Milky Way, are graceful spirals, their arms ablaze with the light of young hot stars. Others are elliptical, resembling giant cosmic eggs populated by older, redder stars. Still others are irregular, their shapes sculpted by collisions and gravitational interactions with their neighbors. These galaxies are not simply scattered randomly throughout space. They clump together, forming vast cosmic structures known as clusters and superclusters. These clusters are connected by filaments of invisible dark matter, creating a cosmic web that stretches across the observable universe. The sheer variety and number of galaxies are staggering, a testament to the boundless creativity of the cosmos. As you journey through the vast expanse of intergalactic space, you encounter breathtaking clouds of gas and dust, illuminated by the light of nearby stars. These are nebulae, the birthplaces of stars. Some nebulae glow with an eerie, ethereal light, their gases energized by the intense radiation of newborn stars. These are emission nebulae, stellar nurseries where massive stars are born. Other nebulae reflect the light of nearby stars, creating ghostly apparitions in the darkness. These are reflection nebulae, often associated with clouds of dust and gas that are just beginning to collapse and form new stars. Still, others appear as dark silhouettes against the backdrop of more distant stars. These are dark nebulae, dense clouds of gas and dust that are opaque to visible light. Nebulae are not merely beautiful objects, they are essential for the evolution of galaxies. They provide the raw materials from which stars are formed and enrich the interstellar medium with heavy elements, the building blocks of planets and life itself. Your journey takes you past objects of unimaginable density and gravitational pull black holes. These cosmic abysses are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Their cores crushed to a point of infinite density known as a singularity. Black holes are invisible to the naked eye, as their gravity is so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. However, their presence can be inferred by the way they warp the fabric of space-time around them. As you approach a black hole, you would witness the strange effects of its gravity firsthand. Time would slow down, light would bend, and the very stars themselves would seem to swirl and dance around this invisible abyss. Black holes are not merely cosmic oddities, they play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies. They can regulate star formation, drive galactic winds, and even trigger the growth of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. Diamonds scattered across velvet star clusters. Continuing your exploration, you come across breathtaking clusters of stars, glittering like diamonds scattered across the black velvet of space. These are star clusters, groups of stars that form together from the same cloud of gas and dust. Some star clusters, known as open clusters, contain hundreds or thousands of stars loosely bound together by gravity. These clusters are relatively young, often found in the spiral arms of galaxies, where star formation is still ongoing. Other star clusters, known as globular clusters, are much denser and more ancient, containing hundreds of thousands or even millions of stars tightly packed into a spherical shape. These clusters are found in the halos of galaxies, relics of the early universe. Star clusters are more than just beautiful objects. They are cosmic laboratories that allow astronomers to study stellar evolution in detail. By observing stars of different ages and masses within the same cluster, astronomers can learn about the lives and deaths of stars. As you journey through deep space, you become acutely aware of the dynamic nature of the cosmos. Nothing is static. Everything is in motion. Galaxies are not fixed in place, but are constantly moving, drawn together by gravity, colliding and merging over billions of years. Stars are born, live out their lives, and eventually die, sometimes in spectacular supernova explosions that briefly outshine entire galaxies. Black holes lurk in the darkness, their immense gravity warping the fabric of space-time. Nebulae expanded and contract, their gases swirling and coalescing to form new generations of stars. Even the seemingly empty void of intergalactic space is teeming with activity as particles and radiation stream through the cosmos at incredible speeds. The universe is not a static, unchanging place, but a vibrant and ever-evolving tapestry, woven from the threads of gravity, matter, and energy. Your journey takes you to the very edge of the observable universe, to a time shortly after the Big Bang. Here you encounter the faint afterglow of that cataclysmic event, a faint whisper of radiation known as the cosmic microwave background. This radiation, discovered in 1964, is the oldest light in the universe, a snapshot of the cosmos as it was just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. By studying the subtle variations in this radiation, cosmologists have been able to piece together a remarkably detailed picture of the early universe. The cosmic microwave background radiation is a powerful testament to the Big Bang theory, providing strong evidence that the universe began from a hot, dense state. It also provides clues about the fundamental nature of the universe, such as its age, composition, and geometry. As you delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, you encounter a profound puzzle. Observations of galaxies and galaxy clusters suggest that there is far more mass in the universe than we can see. This unseen mass, dubbed dark matter, does not interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation, making it invisible to our telescopes. Furthermore, observations of distant supernovae reveal that the expansion of the universe is accelerating, driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. The nature of dark matter and dark energy remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern physics. Scientists estimate that dark matter and dark energy together make up roughly 95% of the total mass energy content of the universe. This means that the familiar matter we see around us, from stars and galaxies to planets and people, represents only a tiny fraction of what is truly out there. As your journey through the mysteries of deep space comes to an end, you are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. The universe is far vaster, more complex, and more mysterious than we could have ever imagined. From the smallest subatomic particles to the largest cosmic structures, the universe is filled with breathtaking beauty, intricate complexity, and profound mysteries. The exploration of the cosmos is a journey without end, a quest for knowledge and understanding that will continue to inspire and challenge humanity for generations to come. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are not just looking at a random collection of stars, but at the gateway to an infinite universe of wonder. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of awe. The universe